Seriously? This yellow smiley hat is selling for $40. Let me tell you something. I recreated the exact same design using Institch Doodle in under 5 minutes. And guess what? It cost me less than $5. No joke. Don't scroll down just yet. I'm about to show you how to design your own embroidery from scratch. You will save money on hiring designers. Also, you can DIY your own hat. Wear it, sell it, whatever you want. Let's get started. Alright, I have already imported the design we'll be using today into Institch. Next, select the image and zoom in so we can see the details more clearly. Click Settings and choose Ruler to measure the length and width of the design, just to make sure it matches your desired embroidery size. Then, click Transparency and lower the opacity of the image. This helps your stitches show up more clearly while doodling. Click Stitch List, go to Picture, and lock the image in place. Once that's done, zoom in on the design. We are ready to start doodling. First, take a look at the image. Step 1. We'll doodle the yellow face shape. Step 2. I will do the facial features, since the face is circular. Click Drawing, choose Fill Stitch, and then select the circular stitch icon to draw the face shape. Before you start, click Color and set the pen color to orange. Then go to Parameter to adjust the stitch settings. For stitch type, choose Tatami, and the density should be 0.38. Turn on Underlay. This helps stabilize the fabric. Usually, for the first layer, you can choose Zigzag or Contour, and for the second layer, go with Tatami. Now, trace along the edges of the smiley face to draw a perfect circle. Once that's done, select the stitch circle and zoom in again. Now, we will work on the facial expression. Click Drawing, select Certain Line Stitch, and turn off the circular stitch icon. You will see the parameter menu update on the left with new settings. Under Stitch Type, choose Centering Stitch. Now, how wide should it be? Click Settings. Use a ruler to measure the width of the mouse. It's about 2.07 mm. Go back to Parameter and set the width to 2.3 mm. Click Color and switch the pen color to black. Then go back to Drawing, choose Centerline Stitch again. Start drawing the first part of the mouse, and zoom in as you go. Press the V key to switch to the Selection tool. Select the stitch path you just drew, and click Modify Stitches to fine-tune the anchor points so they can match a mouse curve. Click Join and choose Centerline Stitch again. Now, we will draw the second half of the mouse. Same process. Doodle along the center of the line. Press V again to switch tools. Select a stitch and click Modify Stitches to adjust each anchor point. This part is really fun, and just like that, the mouse is done. Now, let's do the eyes. Click Drawing, choose Centerline Stitch. Go to Settings, select a ruler, and measure the width of the eyes. It's around 2.66 mm and 2.5 mm. Go back to Parameter and see the width to 2.8 mm. Click Join again, choose Centerline Stitch, and select the Straight Line Stitch. Draw a stitch line in the middle of one eye. Press V to select the stitch. Then, in the Perimeter menu, find the rounded stud and turn it on. Now, adjust the slider under Start Value. You will see the top curve of the stitch changes as you move it. Adjust until it fits the shape of the eye. Let's turn on 3D Preview to check how the eyes looks. Okay, looks great. Now select the eye stitch. Go to the top menu and click Copy. That creates an exact duplicate. Just move it over to the other eye. Once everything is done, zoom out to see the full design. Turn on 3D View to preview the final embroidery effect. Now, let's export it as a DST file and go test it on the embroidery machine. First, upload the embroidery file to the machine. Super easy. Look, the file already showed up. Let's start stitching. All done. Look pretty solid, right? You are telling me that hat goes for $40? Mine cost me less than $5. It is custom, handmade, limited edition by me. Not bad, huh? I designed myself, stitched myself, and the best part, it is easy, fast, and no need to help anyone. Want to give it a shot? Just open Institch Doodle. A few clicks, a few strokes, and boom, your embroidery hat is ready to go. I have dropped the embroidery file in the group folder. Grab it if you want. Get the other designs you would love to learn. Drop a comment and I have got you covered. Don't forget to like and follow. Next time we're doing something cooler. Bye!